Hi everyone, welcome to Genotech. Today we're gonna take a look at the shoe shine kit I bought from Amazon. It's called Shoe Shine Kit by Make It Fun One. It's only $14.99 from Amazon. I'm saying it's only $14.99 because I almost bought the $50 one from Ted Baker. But anyway, it's my first time opening this one, so let's see if it's worth $15. Okay, the zipper works well, it's not broken. But when you open it, you immediately notice those two polishers are out of the rubber band. Well, that's fine. Let's open it and see. So there's an aluminum foil for cap protection, but obviously it didn't do its job well. Uh, it looks like black slimes all over. But I'm not too worried about it. Let me grab paper towel and clean it a little bit so it doesn't smear on anything else, and we'll go from there. Okay, looks like I got that taken care of. Next, neutral shoe polish. Open it up. And this time the aluminum foil did its job right. Clean cap and foil protected its cap. Alright, that's all good. And next up is the brush and wooden handle. It feels pretty light wood. You don't expect a very good quality at $15 anyway, with this many items. And I like the attention to detail with the plastic cap on the brush, but obviously we're having some issue with the quality where those what should I call it, the furs are taking off. And yeah, the area where the tape was holding is kind of sticky and color is slightly different, but who cares? And then next up is this fabric piece, which will be the finishing piece of your shoe cleaning job. Well, one side is pretty soft, but the other side is kind of textured like canvas. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera. So I will be only using the soft material side when I'm cleaning my shoes. And then next up is this fur remover plus metal shoehorn. So this red part is obviously the fur remover, and the middle part is the shoehorn part. And then this one is for buff after your polish has been dried. So it's just wooden handle with black foam round thing on top. Next up is the big brush, which you will be using it for cleaning your shoes, but obviously we have some quality issue here also. Even though it had a plastic cap, it didn't protect its brush very well. But oh well. So I'm gonna clean my shoes and come back and give you what I think about this product. So I cleaned my shoes for a good 30 minutes, and I gotta show you this debris that came out of the kit. So obviously those furs were getting out of those brushes, and also some of the fabrics were getting out of the fabric piece they give you. I had these shoes for about 2 years, I believe. I didn't really clean it that well. It's honestly my first time cleaning this with the cleaning kit, and I am somewhat satisfied. But will I recommend this to everybody? Probably not. Well, that's my thoughts. Thanks for watching, everybody, and talk to you later with another device.